Hello students, welcome back to our grammar class. Today we are going to learn about the past tense. As we learned in the previous grade, the tense of a verb is used to represent the time when an action took place. Past tense is used to refer to actions that have already happened. Example, she danced all night. Forms of past tense. Past tense is categorized into 6 different forms: simple past tense, past continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. All the actions mentioned in these forms have either already happened or were initiated in the past. The present perfect and present perfect continuous tense are used to indicate past actions and are included in past tense forms. Simple past tense. The simple past tense is used to describe an action that occurred in the past and is no longer happening. How to use simple past tense with different sentences. Affirmative sentences. While forming an affirmative sentence using simple past tense, the subject I, we, you, they, he, she, it is followed by the past tense of the main verb. Check the form and example. Negative sentences. While forming a negative sentence using simple past tense, the subject I, we, you, they, he, she, it is followed by did not or didn't and the past tense form of the main verb. Check the form and example. Interrogative sentences. While forming an interrogative sentence using simple past tense, the auxiliary verb is followed by the subject we, you, they, he, she, it and the main verb. Check the form and example. However, interrogative sentences can also be formed using WH question words. Check the form and example. Negative interrogative sentences. While forming a negative interrogative sentence, the WH question is followed by didn't, the subject I, we, you, they, he, she, it and the main verb. Check the form and example. However, the interrogative sentences that begin with who can be written negatively by omitting the subject. Check the example. Where can you use simple past tense in a sentence? To refer to a past action that has been completed. To refer to a past action that happened over a specific period of time. To indicate a historical event. To refer to a past habitual action. To narrate a story. Past continuous tense. Tense of verb which is used to represent an action going on over a span of time in the past is called the past continuous tense. Check the example. In a sentence with past continuous tense, the verbs of perception are not used. However, there are some exceptions to this rule. Check the example. Here, the verbs of perception use the suffix ing to show politeness in their tone. How to use past continuous tense with different sentences. Affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences in the past continuous tense are formed using the subject plus was or were plus main verb with ing. Negative sentences. While forming a negative sentence using past continuous tense, the subject I, we, you, they, he, she, it or singular nouns are followed by wasn't or weren't and the main verb. Check the form and example. Remember, the auxiliary verb were not is only used with plural nouns or the subject. Interrogative sentences. While forming an interrogative sentence using past continuous tense, the auxiliary verbs are followed by the subject I, we, you, they, he, she, it and the main verb. Check the form and example. Interrogative sentences with WH questions. However, interrogative sentences can also be formed using WH question words. Check the form and example. Negative interrogative sentences. Negative interrogative sentences in the past continuous tense are formed by placing was, not, or were not before the subject, followed by the main verb with ing. Check the form and example. Where can you use past continuous tense in a sentence? To refer to a past action that is continuing for a specific period. Check the example. To refer to an interruption in between a past action used with simple past. To refer to two actions taking place simultaneously. Check the example. Practice time. Pause and answer carefully. Check the answer. Great work, students! You've now learnt about the past tense in detail. Practice forming simple past and past continuous sentences every day. Keep learning and see you in the next class.